Hello students, in the previous class we discussed electrolytic cells or batteries. In this class we shall discuss what happens if two cells are connected in series. Okay. Here cell 1 is having EMF of E1 and internal resistance of R1. E2 is the EMF of second cell and its internal resistance R2. Okay. Now you look, between point A and B this cell is connected, means it will provide a potential difference of VAB or not. In the previous class we have deduced the relation V is equal to E minus IR, cell equation, where V is the potential difference offered by the cell whenever connected across an internal resistance R. Now you look here. Here actually R1 is shown implicitly, not explicitly. The actual figure will be like this is cell 1. This is R1, E1, this is R2, this is E2. Point A, point B, point C. Okay, this is the actual figure. Now, VAB is equal to equation of cell 1, E1 minus IR1. There is a common current flowing through these two cells, that is I, since they are in series. VAB is equal to E1 minus IR1. VBC is equal to E2 minus IR2. Okay, this is equation of second cell. Now total potential difference between A and C is nothing but VAB plus VBC. So VAC is equal to VAB plus VBC. VAB plus VBC. VAB expression is this much, so this much. VBC expression is this much, so this much. Now if you rearrange it, it will become E1 plus E2 minus I whole into R1 plus R2. Okay. Now if you compare it with a standard form of cell equation, it can be considered as E. It is R. Okay, E minus I R. That means we are getting a cell whose EMF is the sum of the individual EMFs of the cells, and internal resistance is the sum of individual internal resistances of the cells. Okay, so this is the formula for cell equation of series connection. Okay. Now if the two cells are connected in series, the EMF simply get added and internal resistance also simply get added. Now come to the parallel combination. Here you look. This is cell 1. Here R1 R2 are shown explicitly. This is cell 1, this is cell 2. They are connected in parallel. Okay. Parallel means current is getting divided. Now of course I1 plus I2 is equal to I. So I is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 from equation of cell 1. What is the equation of cell 1? You look here. For cell 1 EMF is E1, resistance is R1 and current is I1. So I can write the equation as V1 is equal to E minus I, E1 minus I1 R1. Okay. I want to find out expression for I1. So I1 is equal to E1 minus V1 divided by R1. Okay. But okay, now come to the second cell first. I2 everything is okay, so you can find out simply V2. V2 is equal to E2 minus I R2, I2 R2. So I2 is equal to E2 minus V2 by R2. Okay. Now you look at the figure. Here the potential difference across these two terminals are same for both cells. That means both cells offer same potential difference. That is V. So we can simply replace V1 and V2 as V. So it will become E1 minus V by R1. It will become E2 minus V by R2. Okay. So I1 is equal to E1 minus V by R1, I2 is equal to E2 minus V by R2. Okay. Now we have got the expression for I1 and I2. We can simply put it in the equation 1. So by putting it in equation 1, I is equal to I1 plus I2. This is the expression. Now if you separate E1 and E2, so it will become something like this. Take V common from both these terms, V. So minus V whole into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This implies, take this term to the left side, V whole into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is equal to E1 by R1, E1 by E2 by R2. In the left side there is I, now it will be minus I. Now, V add these two fractions R1 R2 whole into R1 in the denominator R1 R2, in the numerator R1 plus R2. This is equal to add of these two fractions also R1 R2, E1 R2 plus E2 R1 minus I. Now take this factor to right side. It is multiplied in the left side, so we shall divide it in the right side. Okay, on both these terms it is getting divided. Now V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1. R1 R2 gets cancelled from denominators, so remaining part will be this much. Here R1 R2 is in the denominator, so it will be in the up with I R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, simplification, just nothing else. So this is the total expression. Now if you compare it with a standard cell equation, it is EMF E, it is internal resistance R, E minus I R. Okay, so what is the expression for E? E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2 minus I R1 R2. Expression for internal resistance is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. These are for two cells. For n number of cells, E by R is equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 up to En by Rn. 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 up to 1 by Rn. Okay, this is all about series combination of cells. One thing I forgot to tell you, that in series connection, if there are n number of cells, total EMF will be simply sum of all the EMFs. Total internal resistance will be simply sum of all the internal resistances of the cells. Okay, so much for today. In the next class, I think we shall go for two numericals from this topic. Thank you.